The Smilodon series of leaf blower by DocSmart. The LB8195 3-speed leaf blower, lithium battery. Opening up, showing how nicely they are packaged. Out of the box, we have air muffs, bracket, your charging cable, dedicated DIN plug, your battery, green and black with a indicator of full charge, your leaf chute, an attachment that goes on the top and locks into place via snap. Your second 20 volt 4.0 amp hour battery with the charging area that plugs in over here. An instruction and shoulder strap and screwdriver. And the leaf blower with its 3-button, 3-stage indicator. The area that sucks in the air, the fan, the blower protected, the strap area. The stand has a locking tab, 2 screws. The tab goes into here, the 2 screws. Place in the front, like so. Snaps into place. Take the 2 screws, place into the holes. The supplied screwdriver and lock down. Secure fully into place. We have a spare screw and the screwdriver. We already placed on the top chute and we're snapping into place, locking down, secure. We have a locking area that we match and we rotate to lock. It takes a strong twist to lock in. I hold and I rotate and lock on. Once locked on, the next step is for the battery. But before the battery, we could put the strap that locks into place on the top. It has a resting area and adjustment. We have a fully charged battery as indicated. It locks into place by snapping down. We are set for the leaf blower. We have an adjustable air muffs that rotate and adjust down in increments. The leaf blower is ready to turn on. Starts on number 2. Starts on number 1, 2, 3, back to 1, long press for on and off. The leaf blower, 165 miles per hour, 650 CCM, with a nice 3-inch chute with a 2+ inch opening that's detachable, a 4.0 amp hour battery, 3 speeds, low, medium, and high, and a shoulder strap and a fan guard with an area that lays down on the table to stand correctly horizontal. Removing the battery is removing the clip down and pulling out and grabbing the spare battery after fully charged for a couple of hours and sliding into the back. It's a pure copper motor, 30,000 RPM, and we're going to show how this leaf blower works out in the backyard. Leaf blowers for all seasons, cleaning up the yard, grass, and more, with the air muffs included. Turning on to the low, turn on to the medium, and would turn on to the high and then go cleaning. We have a strap that we could wear. So if you're looking for a leaf blower from DocSmart, 2 4-amp hour batteries, 8,000 milliamps in total, with runtime of over an hour, this may be a blower that you are looking for. It has a narrow nozzle so you could narrow down your blowing or take it off for a wider field. For leaves, cleaning up the yard, and more. Enjoy your leaf blower.